Hi there, my name is Charlotte. I am the counseling intern here at Clackamas Community College this year, and I have a question for you. In the past 2 years, have you experienced feelings of depression, anxiety, dread, helplessness, and anger regarding COVID-19 and everything that's resulted from it? Us too! We all have, because COVID-19 has given us a form of collective trauma. Collective trauma is the negative effects that a group of people feel when they live through an event that alters the very fabric and functioning of their social, scholastic, work, and spiritual lives. And COVID-19 has certainly done that. Here in the Counseling Center, we want to normalize how scary, bananas, and upsetting the last 2 years were, and how it can now be anxiety-inducing to move back into a more interactive and in-person setting. And that's why we're offering the Coping with COVID workshop. This workshop is a good fit for students who are anxious about reintegrating into interactive social settings after quarantining. It's good for students who are experiencing depression or anxiety based on the regulations, isolation, and overall trauma that was caused by the pandemic. And it's also a great fit for students who are interested in learning more about how trauma affects societies as a whole and ways of coping with those traumas. These workshops are going to be held Wednesdays this term at noon, and we're going to offer it twice. It's a 3-part workshop, and the first segment will run April 20th, 27th, and May 4th. The second section will run May 11th, 18th, and 25th. And these are all going to be hosted on Zoom, so whether you are comfortable being in person or not, you can participate because it's on Zoom, so it's all good. And the video information below will have the link to the Zoom meeting if you'd like to join us. If you're interested in setting up some one-on-one time with one of our fabulous counselors to discuss COVID trauma or anything else, please feel free to send us an email at counseling@clackamas.edu or to give us a call at 503-594-3176. Thank you, and I hope to see you in our Coping with COVID workshop.